स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome to Manwar. In today's video we'll talk all about the TISBAT 2021 program. So in this video we'll discuss all about TISBAT and we'll cover the important points like eligibility criteria, the paper pattern, what will be the cutoff, the selection process of TIS, seat availability and the placement. So guys stay tuned with me throughout this video. So friends, in case अगर आपने preparation start कर दिया है तो well and good, and if you have not started your preparation yet then you can join the TISBAT online live preparation batch. So for enrollment call on 8828581455. So target TIS to pursue your bachelor program through its two major campuses like Tuljapur and Guwahati. So let's talk all about the TISBAT. So TISBAT is a bachelor's admission test conducted by the TIS Institute where you can pursue the bachelor degree in two courses, that is Bachelor of Arts in Social Sciences for 3 years and the other one that is Bachelor of Arts in Social Work with specialization in rural development, and it is also 3 years program. So let's talk all about the major points. So first here, to enter into TISS, the eligibility criteria says your age should not be exceed to 23 years, and with respect to qualification, then candidate must have passed 10+2 or equivalent exams, and those candidates who appeared for 12th class and awaiting for results are also eligible. Now here we'll talk about the paper pattern. It consists of two papers, the paper 1 and paper 2. The paper 1 is completely online mode while the paper 2 is offline mode. There are mainly 3 sections. The first one, English proficiency. The second one is mathematics and logical reasoning. And the third one, that is general knowledge. So guys, if you really want to enter into TISS, then you have to focus more on general knowledge part, because this is very most concerned about the general knowledge. So यहाँ आपकी awareness check की जाती है about the current affairs, the developmental and social political issues. So from all this section, 60 questions are there for 60 marks, and here the time duration is 60 minutes. So for each question 1 minute is there, and the paper 2 is consist of essay writing. And यहाँ आपको कोई भी 4 topics दिए जाएंगे, and you have to write essay on any 2 topic. That means each topic for 20 marks. So overall 40 marks are there, and the time duration here is 30 minutes. So these both paper are compulsory because both paper 1 and paper 2 will have the separate cutoff marks for the evaluation. So friends, if we talk about the cutoff for TISBAT, then it depends on various parameters, that is the number of candidates, the difficulty level of the exam, the number of seat availability, or any increase or decrease in the seat availability at the campus, or the change in admission policy or procedure. As the TIS doesn't disclose its cutoff marks, but it is considered you have to score more than 45% marks in both the cases, that is in paper 1 and paper 2. Now the topics for essay writing will be the social concerns, opinions and abstract thoughts on social issues, and the maximum length for essay writing, that is 500 words. So let's move further. Now here we'll talk about the campuses. The first one, that is the Tuljapur, which offers both the program, and it has the seat intake of 30 for each program, that is 30 seats for Bachelor of Arts in Social Sciences and the Bachelor of Arts in Social Work with specialization in rural development. And the second one, that is the Guwahati, which has 60 number of seats for Bachelor of Arts in Social Sciences. So in specifically the Social Sciences program, in first year you will get the subject like sociology, economics, political science, history and psychology, while in the second year you have to choose any 3 subjects from out of 5, and in the third year you will have the interdisciplinary subjects like environment, development and gender, where in social work you will get all these syllabus, but it has the rigorous 6-month field work because it has the major motto to plan, implement, monitor and evaluate the rural programs, where you can also get the specialization in maths, statistics, research methodology, bio, physics, chemical sciences and in foreign languages. And now to enter into these campuses, what will be the selection process? So here I listed some of the parameters which are considered for your final selection, and these criteria are: the first one, that is the TISBAT score. So for the Bachelor of Arts in Social Work, which is from Tuljapur campus, has the 40% weightage for TISBAT, 30% weightage for class 12th marks, and it has the 30% weightage for personal interview. So friends, only in Tuljapur campus आपको पर्सनल इंटरव्यू देना होगा टू परस्यू द बैचलर ऑफ आर्ट्स इन सोशल वर्क, while for another program that is Bachelor of Arts in Social Sciences from Tuljapur and Guwahati, यहाँ selection criteria होगा the 70% weightage for TISBAT and 30% weightage for class 12th marks. so there will be no PI. So this is the selection criteria after TISBAT. Now we'll talk about the career scope and the placement. So friends, most of the students यहाँ further studies को prefer करते हैं, because if you are in a TIS और आप मास्टर प्रोग्राम्स के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हो, then there is a huge opportunity as all you know. So after done with your bachelor's program, you can work as an advice worker in civil services, as a charity officer, community developer worker, community education officer, equality and diversity officer. You can also work in various NGOs and in research organization as a research assistant. So friends, if you have keen interest in the social work, then you can choose for these programs. And if we consider the placement, so guys, don't worry at all about the TIS placement, because it has the 100% placement record. And if we considering the fee structure, then it will gives you the best return on the investment. So friends, this is all about the today's video. If you have any doubts and query, you can ask me in the below comment section. So kickstart your preparation button. Let's crack TISBAT by joining Manwa online program, where you will get books, mock test, sectional and full course, and you can also interact live with us. So call on these number, or you can visit at manwaedu.com/BBA-entrance, and you can also call us on these respective numbers. So thank you very much guys, all the best for your career. See you in the next video.